Turning off telemetry and data collection in Windows sends information back to Microsoft about how your machine is running. Some of it genuinely helps fix bugs. Some of it is used to shape advertising. You get to decide how much of it leaves your computer. Open Settings and go to Privacy and Security. Start with Diagnostics and Feedback. Set diagnostic data to the required minimum rather than optional. Turn off Tailored Experiences and switch off Improve Inking and Typing, which sends samples of what you write. Then click Delete Diagnostic Data to clear what's already been gathered. Next, open General and turn off the advertising identifier along with the other tracking options there. Move to Search Permissions and disable Cloud Content Search and Search History. Then work through App Permissions, covering location, camera, and microphone. Finally, in Personalization, turn off Lock Screen Tips and Start Menu Recommendations, since both are advertising surfaces in disguise.